Okay. Robbie, you look like Steve-O.
Why are you busting my balls?
You look like Steve-O.
Watch this most best ollie ever.
Was that real?
I don't know. I'm not. I'm zooming in and out. Get off her lawn!
It just like snapped.
Oops. That didn't turn out how I wanted
Augustine, is it gonna tie back?
I don't think so.
That didn't turn out how I wanted it to go. So
It's not like she comes.
I'm a little disappointed.
Dude, here, let's try it like. Try it right here.
Yeah, over in that spot. That'll do it.
Dude, did that hurt you?
Here. Dude, what's that?
He does it while he's shirtless.
No.
Alright.
Dude, don't say it so loud.
Alright.
I don't know. Can they? There's no.
Can they? Can they? Oh my god.
I need to take a piss again.
Oh shit, are you gonna go over there and video?
I recorded Robbie peeing earlier.
Yeah, what does that say? K-O-S?
Robbie's taking a whiz.
He really is.
I didn't really have to go, really.
Say hi, Augustine.
Hi.
Alright, here we go.
Hey, you can take videos too, huh?
Alright, here we go.
What'd you do? Was that her normal face? No. That one didn't rip. Why does that?
He just bounced back. You guys are retarded.
That hurt my arm.
Augustine, you're retarded.
Wait, no.
Dance, Robbie, dance. It's like he missed and he trips over the thing.
Hey, but if that lady comes out,
Wait, there's a car coming.
if that lady comes out, you have to record it, okay?
Look at her.
That lady comes out, you have to record it.
Okay.
She's gonna be all mad.
Alright, here we go.
Nice job on hiding, Robbie.
Alright, here we go. I think they said that.
I like how you stopped right in front of it.
I'm gonna roll down the hill.
Oh, my leg.
You're not supposed to be on their lawn, retard.
Dude, man. Oh, my God.
I can't see anything.
This gate is for me.
That's nice.
Wait.
I'm rolling down the hill.
Video, come over here and videotape. Oh! Videotape the skaters.
Where are they?
Videotape me a little bit.
Go, Robbie. I can see you now. Let me zoom in.
With my arms.
Are they coming? How was that experience, Robbie?
It was awesome.
Stupid.
Oh, my shirt.
I got some phlegm. Oh shit.
Alright. I feel itchy a little.
I'm blurring my face out.
That is blur, retard.
Alright, here we go.
Blur here. I'm gonna blur my face out too.
Robbie, what are you doing?
Okay.
Hey, whose car is that?
I don't know.
That's their car. That one? The black one?
No, that one right there.
The silver one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's theirs.
Let's not set the alarm off. Augustine, remember when we'd set the alarms off on their car? Yes, I saw it.
What? Why didn't you videotape it?
I did!
No, you didn't.
I was like this!
Like you can see anything. into the black one, dude.
Don't. Let's not.
Run into the black
Let's
one and
not.
just start running. Start running, dude.
I'm running to the house and lock the door.
They're probably gonna know that it's us. So we have to go like in that block over there.
Oh shit, I'm tired.
I'm gonna dial. I'm
Are
okay.
you videotaping too?
Yeah, but you can't do it right there.
Yeah, I know. We have to wait till she
We should
leaves.
play.
No.
Another one.
No.
We're gonna make another one.
Let me see, stop it.
Shannon.